At what age did you start working to support your family? Pati mga kapatid mo, suportado mo.
Yes.
What age?
Siguro mga 8th grade, nagsali po ako ng beauty pageant. So,
Aba, nagsumasali ka pa ng beauty
Yes.
pageant kahit binubuli ka na maitim ka. At
doon ko
saka,
po binawi yung confidence ko.
oh,
Yung
kasi
tita ko-
nananalo ka.
Opo. Tsaka
Really?
kahit na hindi nananalo, ang goal ko lang po talaga, sa mga barangayan po to, hindi po yung malalaking pageant. Yung mga 2.5 na backstage, consolation prize. Oo. Kasi pag may ganyan, may mga panalo na sila. Occasion na minsan. Ang akin lang doon, ang 500 na consolation prize.
Okay na sa'yo yun.
Yes, pambigas
Big
na po
deal na
namin
yun,
yun.
ma-500
Pambigas na
ka.
po namin yun.
Oh, really?
Yes po. So
that-
lahat ng barangay pinupuntahan.
Aha.
Ganun kami ng kasama ko pong makeup artist noon.
Oh.
Yes po.
Pero, so how was school? Paano yung school?
I juggle both po.
How?
Nung time na yun, it was good naman. It was okay po for me kasi passion ko po talaga ang pageantry. So, nadja-juggle ko po siya both. My studies and my work at the same
So, how old was this? 8th
8th
grade?
grade. So, siguro mga 14, 15.
Oh, okay, ha? Pero kasi, di ba, pinag-aral ka ng, you had sponsors for
Yes
for
po.
school. Is that correct?
Yes po.
Swiss
Yes.
sponsors.
My mom is working po kasi sa isang Swiss company, Swiss.
Oo.
So, one of her benefits po is to, siguro mga 3 kami magkakapatid pwede pag-aralin.
Aba, ang galing, ha?
Yes, in any courses.
Oh, really?
Kasi kung parents ko po lang po talaga ang susundin ko, I would not even, tungtong
Wala.
sa Cebu Doctors.
Oo.
Mahal po talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi gusto ko po talaga maging doktor.
Gusto mo talaga And you
Yes.
started
Yes po.
with the help of the Swiss
Yes.
company.
Yes, Sir Stefan and Sir Heinz po. Yes po.
Mag-asawa. So,
Bali-
you went to school. Ano nangyari? Why did you have to stop?
Third year college na po ako, incoming. COVID pandemic happened. Online school na lang po kami noon. And hindi na po ako makapag-aral kasi po malaki na po ang balance. So, sanay po ako sa school namin na pinapaalis kasi po hindi po nakapagbayad.
Okay. Uy,
So-
kala ko may sponsor ka.
Oo nga po, nagagamit po siya ng parents ko po.
Ay, sus. Gid. Paano ba yun?
Kasi nga po wala po sila work. So, yung mga...
nagagastos yung pinapadala.
marami po kami. 9 po kami.
Ay, nako. Nabisto ba yan nung mga Swiss, husband and wife?
It was just last year po na nasabi ko po yung katotohanan sa kanila.
Oo.
They're expecting me last year to graduate po, college.
Oh, that's right.
Kasi gusto na nila pumunta ako ng Switzerland, doon na magtapusin yung pag-aaral ko po. And hindi nila alam yung artista-artista.
Oo.
So, I was honest naman po to them na malaki po talaga yung balance ko po sa school.
And what was their position? Anong sabi niya sa'yo?
They were disappointed po talaga.
And they did not indicate if they wanted to still continue supporting you despite finding out na gano'n na nangyari.
It was up to me naman po kasi they treated me as a child, as their
daughter.
Opo.
Oh, wow.
Sobra po nila akong suportado talaga po sa lahat. Even this po, kahit nung last week nagkita po kami, they were happy with my success po. Pero at the same time, I was really telling them po na babalik po talaga ako. Kasi it's a dream of mine na young Shuvi po ang gumawa ng dream na yun. So ayoko po yun bitawan.
Naku.